Video, I'm gonna talk about IPv6 address types. So I'm reading the same book that I've been reading, and called ccnp routing and switching route 300-101 official start guide by Kevin Wallace. And I come across this table here. I have changed this table. I have added some IPv6 addresses or IP addresses here. So this is not the original table that you would see in the book. So we got type of address, description, the IPv6 prefix, and the equivalent IPv6 prefix here. So global unicast. So this is just similar to IPv for public IP addresses, and this is a sample IPv6 address here, and of course the equivalent IPv4 addresses would be the public addresses, right? And unique local. This is similar to the IPv4 private addresses that can be assigned to hosts. So meaning that these are the addresses that can be assigned inside an enterprise. These cannot be routed over the internet. So similar to the RFC 1918 in IPv4, and this is the equivalent IPv6 prefix here, FC00::/7. Link global. A P description is just just like the IPv4 PIPA addresses. So PIPA stands for automatic private IP addressing, and this is the prefix FE80::/10, and this is the equivalent IPv4 prefix 169.254.0.0/16. I'm not 100% sure that this is correct, because as I understand, link local is the IP address that that a host assigns to itself, and it doesn't mean that that host was configured by it doesn't mean that an engineer configured that host an IP address statically, or and configure that host to get DHCP address. It is like I said, it is an address that a host auto assigns to itself. But it's similar to IPv4 address, but when this address is assigned to a host, it means that that host cannot communicate to another host inside a subnet. So it's a bad thing in IPv4. You need to either configure that host with a static IP address, or configure that host to get an IP address from a DHCP server. So, but it's somewhat similar. But like I said, I'm not 100% sure about this. Next is site local. This is actually deprecated. It is similar to the private IP address that can be assigned to hosts, just like unique local, but this is already deprecated. So let me just actually deprecate it. Deprecated. Its IPv6 prefix is FEC0 ::/10, and similar to RFC 1918 also, just like unique local. But like I said, this is already deprecated. Unspecified, an address used when a host has no usable IPv4 IPv6 address. So IPv6 prefix is :/128. There's no there's no similar IPv4 prefix, so just blank. So look back, and description is saying look back. This is the prefix :1/128. So similar to the IPv4 loopback prefix. So this is, or address in this case. This is an address, an IP address 127.0.0.1, and of course the subnet is .0. I think /8 or /255. I'm not really sure. Anyway, it's just the loopback IP address. So default route, same. The description is the same, default route, and the prefix is :0/128, and of course this is the equivalent IPv4 prefix 0.0.0.0. And last is multicast, of course multicast description, and this is the prefix FF00::/8, and this is the equivalent IPv4 prefix 224.0.0.0/4. So like I said, I just found this table in the book, so just modified it a little bit. So this is just a quick video. So yeah, that's it for IPv6 address types. In the next video, of course I'm going to talk about more stuff in the next video, but for now, thanks for watching. Bye.